In this lesson, we will explore some physical properties of graphite, which is a giant covalent structure. The first physical property of graphite is that it's a soft material with a slimy feel. In this figure here, you can see graphite layers, and graphite is soft and it has a slimy feel. However, when graphite is mixed with clay, it becomes harder and it's used in pencils. This is the second physical property. So although graphite is soft and slimy, but when mixed with clay, it gets harder. And when it's mixed with clay, it's used in pencils. This is a portrait done by a graphite pencil.